Alright guys, welcome to the new video. In this video I'm going to talk about how to clean your ears with the Vitcoco endoscope. However, I want to tell that this is not a guide or how-to video, not a recommendation, not anything. It's just the way I am doing it, and I want you to be really careful if you're going to do it, and I'm not recommending using this device or anything, even though I really enjoy it, and in the last 3 years of using it, it really helped me. However, it might not help you, and you should be really careful and responsible for your own health yourself. Okay guys, now I'm going to show you how to connect it, and we will test this device in this video. Okay, so you will need an Android-based phone or an iPhone to connect it to. You will need to download this endoscope tool. Now, after downloading it from App Store or Google Play, you will connect it through the Wi-Fi, and then here you will see the remaining battery, and might want to start it from here. Okay, I will set it up here so you can see the camera while I'm working with it. I also recommend you preparing some paper towels or other things to clean it in between the cleaning sessions. Yeah. Okay guys, so let's start. I hope it can be seen well. Let's start from here. Okay, so you inserting it in your ear, be very slow, don't rush. Also, the Vitcoco device comes with the special soft things that prevent you from, well, they kind of help you to prevent you from damaging yourself. However, they're pretty big, and I prefer to use the device without them. However, I'm not recommending it to use it like that to inexperienced users, especially if it's your first time using this device. Okay, so the cleaning is very simple. You're basically just grabbing it, and then and then you need to pull it outside and use some paper towels to clean it. And you will do it for as many, well, pulls in, pulls out as needed. Okay, and you will do it with both ears. You can see that on the camera there is some small piece of dust. Okay, so I'll try to clean it with the paper towel as well. Okay, I think I'm making it worse. Anyway, let's try to work from here. Okay, see some earwax side, not much to be honest. I don't think this amount even needs to be cleaned right now. I'm doing it on average once a month right now, and I was doing it once a week before. However, with doing it once a week, I noticed that the amount of earwax that is being built up in my ear is increasing week by week, and I didn't like it, so I switched to monthly cleaning, and the situation improved significantly. So right now I'm not having big buildups. However, in those months when I'm using my headphones too much, it's getting a bit worse. Okay, so right now I'm going to also change the mirroring of the ear, so it becomes easier for me to work on the left ear. Okay, on the left ear I usually have a bit more earwax. I don't know what's it related to, possibly genetically, or possibly my genetics, or could also be some habitual reasons. Okay, but it's also not much. I would also advise you not to talk when you're doing it. You need to be very careful if you're going to do this, because we're doing it for our health, and it's important not to damage. You can also see that my ear is a bit too dry. I might need to use some cream or just use less soap when washing my ears. Okay, so guys, that is how it is being done. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and like this video. And I just want to emphasize this moment that this device is, honestly, in my opinion, it's great, but it really depends on the person who uses it. You need to be really careful, guys, because you might damage yourself, and you don't want it, because sometimes it's better to go and allow the professional, the doctor, to do this for yourself. However, it is possible with this device to do it yourself, but it's not a recommendation. In no way this is a recommendation. Do it on your own risk and just take the responsibility. And yeah, for me it worked. I'm not sure if it's going to work for you. Please subscribe to our channel and like this video, guys.